Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping an image in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your design. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click the Create a Design if you haven't already. And if you're working with an existing project, just click on it. In my case, I'm going to be clicking the Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail because I'm going to upload this after the video has been recorded. Now, I'm going to upload the file that I've been working with. And that's going to be this image right here. Now, what I wanted is, I just wanted to crop the image in two parts. One is remaining the this font text right here. And the other one is going to be the face only. Now, for me to be able to do that, you have the cursor here where you can drag this into something like this one right here. You see? So I have retained only the text that I wanted. All right, so I'm going to make it into two parts. I'm going to click on the upload again button. All right, I'm going to click on X. Now, in this case, I'm going to crop the face only. All right, you see that? So I have basically did this. I'm going to click on the add a page and I'm going to the photos on the left side. Say, for example, I wanted this specific image right here, but you wanted to focus on the people on the image. Again, similar to the effect earlier, all you have to do is drag this option right here, and you would notice that the image has been cropped to your desired by dragging the corners off your side. Obviously, you can also do that to many of the images available here in Canva. Right, you see that? So you have more focus on the image that you want. After you are satisfied with the cropping, just click on done. On the upper right corner, there's going to be an option for the share. You can download this file as PDF, PNG, and JPEG. Or if you're working with multiple freelancers, your client, or your team members, you might want to use the link and share it with them. As you can see, cropping can be useful for removing unwanted background elements or focusing on a specific part of the image, such as the person or the object. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.